Welcome. If you want to turn on Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, all you have to do is just to simply click and hold home button. So click, hold. As you can see right now, we get notifications, so we can simply turn on our assistant, and as you can see right now it is working. And if you are not using the free case navigation, you can also make it by entering the Google app, then going for the more, tap on the settings, tap on the Google Assistant, scroll down until you find general settings, and then all you have to do is just to simply tap on the switcher to turn it on. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!